The relations between Azerbaijan and your beautiful country, they are based on a very strong background, and our relations are developing quite extensively and quite fast in all spheres, be it political, economic and relations. So we have very good political relations. Our representatives meet at different levels, be it here in Malta, in Azerbaijan, or in the international fora, and as a result, consequently, we have very good economic relations. The trade turnover last year between Malta and Azerbaijan reached the point of $269 million, which is quite a high figure. For Azerbaijan, it means a lot in the sense that Eurovision song contest allows to show the country, allows to bring thousands of spectators from different countries, including Malta, to Azerbaijan, and allows us to bring together these people and to get them acquainted with our history, culture, and today's life. I would like to congratulate all Maltese spectators with the victory of your representative at this first semi-final. Now your representative would participate in the final.